ATD Tools, 3.5-ton extra long and extra low reach service jack with exclusive swift lift technology that offers a quicker lift for professional performance. The jack has a minimum height of 3.38 inches, so it can go under most vehicles with limited ground clearance. The U-joint release mechanism provides precise control of load descent in any handle position. It has 2 extra wide and 2 swivel casters with bearings for stability and easy mobility. The jack can go up to 24.63 inches, which makes it the perfect jack for lifting pickups and SUVs that require more height. The jack also has an extra long 50-inch handle with a bumper pad that protects vehicles from marring and scratching. The 4.25-inch diameter saddle includes padding to prevent damage at the point of contact. The twin-piston quick lifting system enables the jack to go from minimum to maximum height in only 7 strokes under no load. It also meets or exceeds ASME PASE-2019 standards. For more information on this product, or to see the full line of ATD products, please visit atdtools.com.